Hey everyone, hope you guys are all having a great day. There's a lot of stuff to talk about. First being Bitcoin is getting slammed today. So let's first talk about that. We have over $1 billion, I think it's like 1.3, $1.4 billion of options expiring today, and that's leading to a large part of the volatility we're seeing today. There's no bad or good economic data out here. Consumer sentiment was okay, not bad. That was even more of a plus, and we still got slammed here. So what I'm doing now is I just want to reiterate to you guys, Bitcoin is still in that bearish neutral formation where we're going down slightly week by week by week. That being said, if you guys want to see us go straight up, or if you guys are looking for a reason to start buying up loads of Bitcoin, assuming that it's going to go straight up after you buy it, we're still going to have to wait for everything to align. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I just put a video out talking about a smart money concepts tutorial. Watch that one, it'll explain everything. Now, as of right now, day trading is still going to be your friend, and I hate to say that over and over again, but it seems like there's some massive shakeouts happening right now. And those shakeouts are easily shaking out tons of people, because every time we have a couple $1,000 drop, people panic, and they panic so much. Because again, there are still so many new investors in this cycle, and they are just kind of wondering what happens next, what do we do? Because honestly, nobody's really used to having this high inflationary environment, high interest rate environment. It's made this rally much more difficult than in rallies past, and we just have to accept it at this point. Now, Tuesday, Wednesday, inflation data is coming out. That's going to be the savior for the market. The only other thing that could save us from Bitcoin going down to, for a few more weeks, maybe, a couple months, is if we have good CPI data, good PPI data. Those are the things. Also, the Bank of Japan. People aren't talking about this. I just want to reiterate, you guys, every now and again, it doesn't have to be every day, maybe once every other day, go online and just search for Bank of Japan yen, and then see if you can find any new relevant news, or you can just watch the stream. That's also part of it. But see if you can find any new relevant news talking about, hey, are they going to be propping up their currency? Because if the dollar gets too strong, you are going to see the yen have a very, very, very bad time here. One of the theses, I guess I would say I have right now, is if that Bitcoin is going down a lot, that's also because the dollar index is going up. If the dollar index goes up too much, that means the yen is going down too much. If the yen goes down too much, the Bank of Japan has to act, reversing the whole situation. So I think Bitcoin will probably already have made that bottom for this move, as long as inflation isn't bad on Tuesday or Wednesday. So I'm not too concerned about Bitcoin going to $55,000 right now, $52,000 right now. Sure, we're kind of slowly headed in that direction, but when we're slowly headed in any direction, all it takes is some good news to really prop us back up and get us a breakout with momentum on our side, and that's what I'm looking for. But again, if you guys haven't already, search Smart Money Concepts on YouTube, look for the videos made this week, and just add Michael Whitman or something like that underneath it. It's going to save you so much time, and it explains why I've just been dollar cost averaging and not swing trading. These swing trades have just been brutal. If you guys have been a short or a long, they've just been brutal. So I want you guys to protect yourself from any of those false signals. Remember, we just saw a big breakout happen. And what happened? The momentum was not on our side on the weekly chart. So what ended up happening? It was a false breakout. I don't want you guys to fall for those tricks that the market plays. And by just kind of following that setup, I really hope it solves a lot of these issues where we just lose money when we don't have to. And I'll be making another tutorial here pretty soon talking about, hey, if you guys do want to go long when everything's bearish, here's how you would do it. But there's certain circumstances, like we did the day trading yesterday, made a few $100 and, did it nice and live for all of you guys. I'm going to be trying to do that again here, but in a tutorial fashion. One last thing. My computer did that crazy thing with the GPU yesterday. I was ticked off. If you guys heard me cussing up a storm, I apologize for that. I don't think you guys did. But it was freaking annoying. So eventually, I'm going to take my computer in to get fixed and just see if it's a power supply issue, because that's a very simple fix. If it's a GPU issue, I'm going to keep the computer and do something with it. I don't know what yet, but I'm going to have to go out and buy a new computer or have a new computer assembled for me. And that may take a little bit of a minute because I have to order it online or order all the parts and have it assembled. So there might be a point where if I can't get my computer to work, I may be kind of off and on with streaming. And I think instead of kind of doing that, I'm just going to stream. And if my computer goes kaput, it'll go kaput. It usually happens after like an hour and a half to 2 hours of streaming. So I think that's already good enough stream. But you might not see the stream end nicely with me saying goodbye to everybody and stuff like that. So, just a little bit of an update here. Today, you're going to see me stream a couple times at least, maybe 3 times. I think I'm going to stream around market close because I haven't taken a shower yet and I need to take a shower. Taking walks with Loki over there, chilling out. stream around market close, stream around, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Or actually, what I'll do is I'll just do 2 streams today because I forgot I had to hang out with a friend and pick up my sister and stuff like that. I'll do 1 stream around 4 o'clock, 4 to 6. And then from there, maybe 4:30. I gotta figure out when I gotta pick up my sister. But anyway, I'll do a stream later on today, and I'm gonna do a late night stream, midnight stream for most of you guys out there. So it'll probably start around 12:30 or 1 a.m. So it'll be a late night stream for everybody. And then after that, I'll probably stream Saturday evening. But besides that, I'll be toning it down this weekend. Then Monday, everything will ramp back up. If something crazy does happen this weekend, I'll be sure to let you guys know, and I'll be sure to go live. But I'm going to try to see if I can book an appointment for my computer being fixed. And today, after the afternoon stream, I'm literally going to go right over to Best Buy and see what power supply I need for my computer and how that might work. So, wish me luck, and, be watchful of Bitcoin, but it's kind of just going according to plan with a little bit more volatility, I would say, because we haven't made new lows or anything like that. So, hope you guys all have a good day, and I'll see you guys a little bit later.